T. Do you love? Oh no. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tia. You can call me Tia or Saint, whichever one you like. Whichever one you like, man. And I am back with another video. But yeah, I just created this look. I don't even know what I'm gonna call it, but this eyeliner is green and then this one is purple. I don't know if you guys can see it like on camera or whatever. So if you guys want to get this a look, it's like a real simple colorful look, like a real easy, like a little slight little taste of color, you know. If you guys want to get this little cute little look, then definitely stay tuned to this video. I tried a new method. Like, it looks okay, you know. I'm looking at it on camera. I'm looking at it in the mirror. Dang, like, where am I from? I use the bold hold tape, from the hair diagram, and I mean, I should have got the cream instead of the tape because I've never used a tape before. And when I say I took 2 hours to do this, which is why I did not film it, because anytime I try something new, I'm never going to film it. But I'm just not. I'm gonna like come back, and if it works good, then I'm gonna try it again and try it again and try it again. But if it doesn't, then it goes in the trash or I give it to somebody. So I am going to take, this is my sheer press powder. This is in medium dark, and this is from Colourpop or whatever. And I'm just gonna put this all on my lace that you can actually see, just to disguise it a little bit here. Like, it's nothing wrong with the tape, but I just feel like I need some more practice, because the tape is actually a good method. It's just very hard when you're first like learning how to do it, which is anything. And I am officially over frontals. This is a frontal. See, and this is what I mean. Like, this is a tape right here. Like, y'all see it? Right here. And it's coming up. But yeah, that's just gonna stay like that. Like, who gonna check me? Okay then. So this hair is giving me Barbie because it comes all the way down to my butt. And I'm not gonna stand up because I don't have pants on, which is like normal since I have all these lights. It'd be like hot. It'd be feeling like, say, it's toenails, okay? But it's not thin. You know how you get long hair and it's thin? This was 3 bundles and a frontal, and it's not thin, which I'm very surprised at, because most long bundles, they be skimping you. Them joints be real skimpy. You look like you got like 1 bundle in your head and you got 5. You know what I'm saying? And it's a little bit of flyaways, but I'm gonna secure it down after I create my layers. So now I'm gonna use this argan oil. Well, it's not argan oil, it's by Kiss. It's this argan hairspray, and it's to protect your hair from heat damage and all that. Okay, and then I'm gonna just brush it through with my paddle brush or whatever. So now I'm just laying the part down because y'all see it was a little bumpy bump. Just a little bit. Ooh, that was a little hot. Ooh, girl. Yes, I literally just finessed this frontal. I think I'm gonna show y'all how to like finesse a frontal. All right, let's get to wand curling this hair, because I ain't trying to be here all day wand curling. It's not gonna happen. Not today. So I just went and grabbed my edge control. This is by Kiss, and I'm gonna just use this to lay this part down a little bit more. Okay, so my hair is pushed back now, and we are gonna get started with the makeup portion, my face. You guys know I love using my Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base, so I'm gonna get started with that first. And then I'm gonna go on top of that with my Covergirl Skin Smoothing well, it's actually True Blend Base Business or that skin smoothing primer. Y'all, I have a mission to get as dark as I can before the summertime is over, because once that summertime is over and it's winter, well, first of all, when it's fall and then it's winter, I be pale as a ghost. Like, you will not be able to see me. I'll be gone. So if you guys are new to my channel, one thing I do all the time is prime my face, like a lot. I'll either use 2 or 3 primers, and the reason being is because I want my base before I put my foundation on to be strong. Like, I need it to be sealed, protected, all that. You know what I'm saying? I need it to be smooth, I need it to be moisturized, I need it to be plump looking, and I get that when I prime my face. Prep and prime my face. Prepping your face is when you do like your skincare routine, like you wash your face and moisturize and all that stuff. Priming is actually when you use like an actual primer. All right, so now that I have primed my face, I'm gonna take my favorite Covergirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. This is my favorite all-time favorite summer foundation at the moment. Like, when they came out with this, it just changed the game, bruh. Like, it changed the game for me. It's the perfect, like, golden undertone. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my blending egg. This is from Beauty Bakery. It's so cute. And I love that they had a little carton of little blending eggs. It is so cute. It's so freaking cute. But it's 6 of them for like $18. And I was like, thank you. That is reasonable, you know what I'm saying? $8 for a bomb foundation that most likely will have your skin tone. They have like 40 shades. Sis, get some of this foundation. I'm gonna take my CoverGirl, this is not CoverGirl, sis. This is Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. Conceal and Define Concealer. We love a good highlight. I just got into Power, and I am addicted. I knew I was gonna get that way too. Like, that's why I didn't want to get into Power, because I knew I was gonna get addicted. I'm gonna take my blending egg and I'm gonna blend this bad boy right on out. TT, do you love? Oh no. I'm a cream contour. I'm gonna take just a little sliver. Just a little sliver. Not that much. Especially on my forehead. So I don't want to mess up my lace, you know. Alright, time to slick the nose down. I swear, this is like my favorite part, snatching my nose, because I really don't have a nose, like a nose bridge. It's really small. Like, if I look to the side, you can't even see it. I have nothing there. So therefore, I really don't have a nose. You see how that just, those little tiny dots just made the nicest contour. Like, it made it nice and dark. It's not too dark, it's not too light. Like, it's perfect. But if I had put more, it would have been too much. So now what you see me doing is just blending out like the top part so that it's not really harsh. I am actually going to take the Huda Beauty setting powder, and this one is in Kunafa, and I used this one time and it looked nice. Like, it looked good. I didn't have any complaints. The only complaint I have about the setting powder is the smell. The smell can kind of be a little too much, but I kind of got used to it. Like, it kind of smells really nice when it's on your face. But I do want to do a battle of the setting powders. So I was thinking Huda Beauty and Colourpop to see like the wear test, which one looks better, you know, etc, etc. Give you guys a full rundown of the different setting powders. So I was thinking Huda Beauty and Colourpop, but if you guys have a different one you want me to try, then definitely let me know. All right, and then y'all know I do not bake, so I'm just gonna wipe that off. So I am gonna leave a little bit under my eyes while I do my eyebrows and prime my eyes. So with my brows, I'm gonna use my favorite. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. And the brush that I use is, I use the brush number 12. This is also by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Okay, so since I cannot find my Please eyeshadow base, I'm just using this concealer by L'Oreal. I think it's a natural beige, and this is like a light concealer that is too light for me right now. All right, so to set my eyeshadow base, I'm gonna take the Secret Brightening translucent powder by Laura Mercier and just tap that all on my eyelid, because you know, with fatty hooded eyelids, we have to set our eyes. Like, it's a must. You can't even try not to, because you will have crease city all on your eyelid. All right, so let me take, this is the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna take this color first. You see it? This color right here, and then I'm gonna take this color, and this is gonna be like the transition color. And it really doesn't matter that I'm putting it on my lid, because I'm gonna make that like a tannish color. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys what I did on this eye to this eye. Of course, like, that's why we here. So I'm actually taking the concealer that I used on my face, and I'm using an angled brush, and I'm going to carve out my crease. So then what I took was this shade right here in the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, and I used a flat brush and I just packed it on my lid. And you really want to pack this on. You don't really want to sweep it, because then it won't be even. So I'm just packing it on there. And this is an Anastasia palette brush. It's like one of those like duo brushes. One side is fluffy and the other side is flat. So then I'm gonna take some of that reddish orange color and just clean up and make the end darker than the like inside. So I'm actually going to take a black eyeliner, and I'm going to create the wing first, and then I'm going to go on top of it. I'm going to let it dry, and then I'm going to go on top of it with the concealer. Alright, so now I'm going to take the concealer and I'm going to put this on top. Alright, so now I'm going to take some of the white, and I'm trying not to look up, but I'm going to take some of the white and the pale purple and the 35B palette. I'm going to put this on the inner corner and start working it towards the outer corner. I'm going to take some of the darker purple and put that over top of that. Alright, so I added my Naturally Stunning lashes. I thought that I pressed record, but I didn't, so my bad. But these lashes are in the style Sasha. But what you guys didn't see was I put some black eyeliner on. And now I'm just taking the same colors I used for my transition color, and I am putting that under my eye to just smoke out that black liner. Now I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Resi Collab highlighter, and I'm going to highlight my face just a little bit, just like a nice little glow. Add a nice little glow to my face. Nothing too much, nothing too dramatic. I freaking love this highlight. It's so nice. Like, bruh, look at that. So for my lip combination, I'm gonna add the, I always have to line with the MAC Cork lip liner. Okay, and then I'm gonna add this Covergirl Queen Collection Major Shade, and this color is, I think it's Q110 or Insider. I'm gonna set my face with the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 replenishing spray. Alright, Alright, you all, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful, helpful, and hopefully inspiring. If you did, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Definitely leave a comment what you want to see next. And don't forget to follow me on my social media account. I'm on Instagram, and that is really it right now. I'm like so over most of social media right now because it's just ridiculous. Like, too much is going on, too much is being shown on social media, and I'm just over it right now. So I'm really only on Instagram, and that's at naturally.sunny, and then I'm on YouTube, so you guys can subscribe to me on here and yeah, be a part of the gang, be a part of my family or whatever. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.